Liam Thomas. A ras y bas dda, Luke Bowen, dwi ddim yn cam sefyll. Pwys na yn y canol y cwrt. Mynd y hunan, dros y bar. Mae cyfle gorau Caerfyrddin hyd yn hyn. Emily Lewis yn dda i gario'r bêl. I gamu mlaen o'r ymddiffyn, a mae Cosby yn codi'r bêl i'r cwrt. Dim methu cael ei clirio gan Caerfyrddin, mae Jordan Lamb yn mynd hunan. Barod trawst, a Cosby ar ail gynnig. Wel, Jordan Vickers a gadael y bêl na i fynd mas at Lamb, fi'n camu mewn. Cynnig da i'r Met, ond mae'n parhau yn ddi-sgôr. Miles Davis yn curo Lee Sermon. Yn enw wych, yn gosod i at Charlie Cosby. Lee Idzi a'r bediad arbennig yn gwthio'r bêl at y trawst. Wel, mae Met yn dechrau chwarae'n dda nawr. Ail waith mewn cwbl o funudau nhw dar o'r trawst. Llain y 5 munud i fynd yn y hanner yma. Bêl do fewn, Liam Thomas. Cyffyrddiad da at Luke Bowen. Mae Caerfyrddin ar y blaen. Seithfed gol Luke Bowen. Ar ail waith fydd y sgorio yn erbyn y Met. Y cyffyrddiad ni'n da gan Liam Thomas a trediad prif sgoriwr Caerfyrddin tymor yma. Declan Carroll y casglu. Declan Carroll dal i fynd. Yn ergydio, maen nhw wedi dyblu Rantes. O fewn munudau. Pryn munud sydd wedi mynd. A Declan Carroll yn rhedeg mlaen heb unrhyw rwystyr. At ochr y Cwrt Cosby ac yn ergydio. Mae Christian O'Leary yn amlwg wedi cael rhyw effaith ar yr hen air. Elliot Evans yn cymryd i yn isel at Kevin y Cwrt Cosby. Rhaid Morgan yn cael cyfle arall i roedd i mewn i'r cwrt. Gito Williams methu clirio mor bell a Elliot Scotcher, yma Liam Thomas ar ras. Mae Scotcher dal yn cymorth. Scotcher mewn i gefn y rwyd. Trydydd gol Caerfyrddin. A'r tîm sydd heb ennill hyd yn hyn y tymor yma. Gyda rheolwr newydd yn edrych fel bod nhw am sicrhau buddigoliaeth yma yng Coed. Christian, quite the impact you've had. How do you rate the performance of your team today?
Yeah, I think the boys did well. I mean, we controlled a lot of the game without the ball. Made them play into where they didn't really want to play and sort of nullified their threats. They had a couple of chances, don't get me wrong. But I thought overall we were good today. We showed what we could be, you know, and that's what, a couple of training sessions, a bit of confidence, and I think our front three will trouble most teams.
Christian, 3-0, a fair result today?
Ooh, football's a beautiful, frustrating game, and for 42 minutes we were outstanding. We peppered their goal and pinned them back in, and we've given a needless free kick away. And from that resulting free kick, we've conceded a sloppy goal, and then really from there it was quite tough to watch. And we're in a sticky patch. We just spoke in the dressing room now. The easiest thing is to go into little cliques and start to say things that frustrate each other, and we don't want to do that. We've been together a long time, and we just have to work through it, keep fighting through it. And we were in a similar situation last year. We won away at Llanelli. I believe it was 4-0, and we didn't win again until early December. And we went through that barren patch then, and we came out the other side. And I'm actually enjoying myself in this, because for 11 years all we've known is success. And this is a tough period, but the players in this period will learn. We'll learn from the mistakes that we're making, and at the moment the mistakes we're making are really costly, whereas when you're doing well you can make a mistake and they're less so costly. So the group will grow from this, the group will flourish, but we have to take this experience on board and weather it really.
And your next home against Bala, who are flying at the moment, important to keep momentum up against them?
Yeah, it's a shame really. We've got a 2-week, you know, we've got no game next week, and then we got the Bala game and TNS straight after that. So two really, really difficult tests. Probably the best two at the minute, along with Cornish Key in the league, which the league table shows that. I think, yeah, you know, the boys, it was important today just to get sort of a reaction and for players to buy into what you're trying to say. It sometimes takes a win and a performance like that, you know. So it's building blocks, and that's the first one.